Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by pouring 4 cups of whole or 2% milk into a clean 4-quart pot and heat slowly to 185 degrees F to denature proteins and improve texture. Stir occasionally to prevent skin. Remove from heat and cool to 110 degrees F, monitored with an instant-read thermometer. This temperature preserves live cultures. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt as the starter, whisking gently and avoiding high shear. Cover the pot and move to a warm, stable incubating spot to maintain culture growth for the next step. Transfer the covered pot to a warm place that holds about 110 degrees F, like an oven with the light on or a cooler with a hot water bottle. Incubate for 6 to 12 hours, depending on desired tartness and culture strength. Once set, chill the yogurt for at least 2 hours to firm its structure before straining. For classic Greek texture, line a fine mesh strainer with 2 layers of cheesecloth and strain over a bowl in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. You will typically yield roughly 2 cups of concentrated yogurt from 4 cups milk. After straining, transfer the thickened Greek yogurt to a clean bowl and reserve the whey for smoothies, bread, or soups because it contains protein and minerals. For serving, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of honey or season with 1/4 teaspoons salt or vanilla to taste. Add fruit or nuts just before eating. Store yogurt in airtight containers and label with date. It keeps safely in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Freeze portions for up to 3 months, noting texture may change after thawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.